Authorities are encouraging the public to actively participate in the coming Metro Manila-wide earthquake drill this coming Thursday, July 30. Aside from various government agencies, several international organizations are also taking part in the drill. More from this report.
After conducting an earthquake drill last week, the NDRRMC is preparing for the Metro Manila Shake drill on July 30. All government agencies are conducting a 2-day tabletop exercise. According to Yusek Alexander, this kind of preparation is important to determine what aspects they must focus on.
Ang pinaka-importante rito, yung mapapractice natin dito sa mga exercise, ang pinaka-importanteng bagay, yung koordinasyon at yung command and control. Yan ang isang malaking aspeto na gagawin dito sa simulation exercise.
To make it more realistic, they have a map of Metro Manila as well as assets each government agency have. This is to inform government agencies where the assets will come from when needed once the major earthquake hits.
So magkaroon na tayo ng magandang formula. Ngayon, hindi natin masabi na ito kung ano na naman yung maoobserbahan natin pagkatapos ng lahat ng mga exercise at lahat ng mga simulation nato, i-improve na naman natin yung ating mga plano. Ang purpose lang nito is to validate, to synchronize. Kaya pati yung mga taga-MMDA nandito rin para nagkakaintindihan kami sa regional at national kung paano natin i-manage kung sakali mang mangyari yan.
Aside from the government agencies, also involved are some international NGOs such as JICA, World Food Program, and Save the Children, which are also helping the country during calamities. According to Country Director Michelle Rujakers, with the preparations the government is making.
The Philippines government is leading by example at the moment. There have been a lot of publicity, a lot of preparations going on in the lead up to the Metro Manila Shake drill on Thursday. And I think this 2-day tabletop exercise is also a really excellent experience for everybody to get used to when a 7.2 magnitude earthquake strikes Manila.
Meanwhile, PAMA is thankful of the public's increasing response during earthquake drills.